guys, it's Tuesday's tip of the day, and we are going to give you a great tip on how to sell your home in 1 minute or less. Hey, it's Jocelyn Russo, your realtor. So today we are going to appeal to the senses. We are going to talk about light. The first thing that you can do with light is make sure all your light bulbs are working and all of your window treatments are up and open to make that sunlight really come through. Second thing is the sound. You want to make sure you don't have too much going on with machines such as laundry and dishwasher. Playing some beautiful, nice music would be a great sound to have your buyers walk into. And the third thing is smell. When you walk into a home, you want to make sure it smells great by using a candle or even putting some vanilla in a warm oven to make the smell of fresh baked cookies. So those are the three you want to really think about when you're selling: is the light, the sound, and the smell, and appeal to those senses so your buyer will love your